we bring you the answers to all your questions. Be better than others. Enjoy the benefits of knowledge. Accept the answers from us.
When you put metal in the microwave, the metal has so many electrons that will get pulled by the microwaves, which causes a thin sheet of metal to heat up so quickly that it could burn the appliance. When the piece of metal is crunched up, it can create areas of concentration of these rowdy electrons.
Our mission is to provide accurate answers. We think without knowledge, it is impossible to live a balanced life. Be competent, be skillful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification.